Hey guys, it's Dana with Empower RV. I'm here in Napa, California at another one of our 52 university events, and we have had the best time with the most fabulous group of women this week. And I'm here with Lorena, and she is going to talk to us a little bit about what she learned at the event this weekend and give you a little bit of snippets about why you might want to attend one. So Lorena, tell me how you found out about our event and what brought you to us. Like, why did you want to attend?
So actually a good friend of mine told me about this event, and the reason I didn't honestly want to go originally, because you guys had an event somewhere else a few months back, was because the previous two events that I had heard about were more like walk-arounds, and this is where you turn on your furnace, and this is how you turn on your
And were those our events?
Absolutely not.
Okay, just want to make
sure.
So
when my friend went to the event, she's like, Lorena, you're going to absolutely love it. You got to go. And I'm like, well, what was it like? Well, I don't want to tell you. You have to experience it yourself. I'm like, okay, so I'll go. So I signed up and I came, and mind-blowing. I can't even begin to express how it feels. To feel empowered, just to feel confident, but the how-to and the know-how and when to ask for help and when I can do it myself and how things actually work, not just how to turn it on and turn it off. Amazing. Thank you.
So a lot of, oh, you're so welcome. This is what we love about what we do. And so many times we've discovered that people really don't get a full understanding of actually what we do here at these events until they attend. So of course, word of mouth and people talking about coming and sharing it with their besties and their sisters, or it just empowers us to continue to do it because we love it. So tell us what your favorite thing was this week.
Favorite thing, many, but probably electrical was for me, and homework. I love the homework and I loved walking around everybody's RVs, but when you got to mine, and mind you, we've been doing this for 4 years, even with my husband. And when we opened up the battery pack and found out that one battery was a parasite to the other, and because we carry two 12-volt batteries, we probably never noticed it, and we do weekend camping. But now knowing that is huge, because now it's something I can easily correct. It's not very hard. And knowing to use the thick wire instead of a super little thin wire that would seem to be piggybacking is the things that I loved about this class, is those little details.
So the technical information.
Technical information is incredible. Yeah,
awesome.
absolutely.
So you learned specifically that the gauges on the batteries, the gauge wire on the batteries that needs to be used should be consistent across both.
Absolutely.
They were wired incorrectly. So,
yes.
And it was just a simple change of one wire, but it makes all the difference in the world. And then we're going to switch out the little piggyback wire to turn it into the proper gauge.
And that's how it came back from the dealer. So it came that way from the dealer, which is really sad to think that that's the way it came.
So, well, you now know, and you're going to have a great camping experience. So we're happy to have found that little issue in your camper. It helps us to educate everybody else that was here, and then who knows what you might do with what you've learned in the next couple of years. We're hopeful that she might.
Oh, absolutely. I want to be an RV tech.
So not only are we inspiring campers, but we're inspiring future entrepreneurs.
Oh, absolutely. So, I would love to do this full time. Absolutely.
Oh, yay, that's exciting.
Yeah.
Well, we love your energy. We love the fact that you are part of our group here in Napa. We love Napa. It's been gorgeous. Thank you for sharing your beautiful weather. I've had no AC for 5 days, and I would have told you I would have died. But it has been amazing. Everything is gorgeous, and we just appreciate you guys opening up your state with us and allowing us to come for the second time in 1 year.
Absolutely.
We hope to be back and
come anytime. Do the class again. I'd love to do it again.
Okay, great. That's a great testimony right there. Yeah. So if you want to find more information about who we are and what we do, please go to 52university.com. Check out our link below, subscribe to our YouTube channels, and check back with us and find out where we'll be next.